Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving. We're going to the bottle, diba?
Yeah.
Pretty loud.
Kasi gusto ni brother na bumili ng second hand na piano, keyboard. So, meron na siyang pera pero hindi enough. So, magbebenta kami ng bote. Ng recycle siya magdadala. Sa inipon niya, mga almost one year yan, no? Yung tatlong bag dun sa dulo, yan. Bebenta niya. Sige, tignan natin mamaya kung magkano. Oh, yes, hindi ganun ka-busy. Kasi paano na eh. Pasarado na eh.
Patras ko kayo.
Sige, patras mo. Ito na siya, oh. Kakaroon siya ng pera, oh. Oh, sige. Ayan yung tatlong bags. Eli! Dali, hahabol. No, si Dada na lang na. Ayan o, ang galing o. Automatic na. Dati kasi diba, mano-mano. Sinushoot na lang dun. Oh, ang galing. Oh, diba? Asa na? Dalawa eh. Brother only needs $5. So, nagpas na siya sa $5. Oh, naka 40 si brother. Naka 40 si brother. Oh, feeling rich ka na naman. Oh, you tell brother how much you earn. Oh, 40 kay brother. How much sa'yo? Oh, yung kanyang porsyento, $10.
Brother,
Oh, keep natin yan, Lai.
brother, your top 10, your and $30 in here.
So, how much your money?
70 plus 40.
Oh, how much?
1,000, 101, 110.
1,000. 1,000. Wow, fake rich. How much you get? 10. Oh. That's your job. Collect all the recycles. Ba, the mga recyclables like your yogurt, your juice. You have to keep it. So you can bring it here, Lai. You can bring it here. Oh.
I saw one, Mom. One time I saw a horizontal 10.
Ah, ano na yun? Yun yung old bill. Ngayon kasi vertical. Show me your $10, Lai. Ito na yung updated eh. Yeah, vertical 10. Okay, let's go. Uwi na, uwi. Bilis niya, brum brum bip bip siya. Let's go, uwi na.
Ito.
Mga Pinoy din eh, no?
Ah.
Nakabit si nanay eh. Oh, diretso na sa alakan siya ni Eli, oh, yung earnings niya. Oh.
It's stuck.
Got stuck?
Yeah. See?
Okay lang yan. So, ito na naman, oh. Ay, kipag-negotiate na naman. Ganap sila ng piano sa marketplace.
Brother, no, you're wasting my money.
Ay, wasting my money. Come on.
I don't have one
Yeah, I
hand.
know, but you can negotiate that amount.
Let me feel it.
I don't have one.
Uy, heavy, Lai.
Wait, what?
Heavy.
No, see? See? I can still hold it.
Okay. Are you happy?
You can negotiate to make that amount.
Who is
I mean,
it?
I'm actually happy because I can buy Robux.
Robux ang ibibili mo? Oh my. Oh my. So, nakabili na si JD ng piano. Ang kanyang budget ay $75 at nakakita kami sa marketplace na tumataginting na $30. Nakasave siya ng 45. Kung maka-broadcast ako, kala mo. Newscaster eh, teka. Oh, eto na ang pianista namin. O sige nga kuya, maganda yung tugtog mo kanina eh.
Wait.
Yan ba yung tugtog mo kanina kuya? Maganda yung tugtog mo kanina eh.
I know.
I forget it.
Na-elibs kami kuya, parang nasa church kami.
Hi.
Ito. Ano gusto mo next? Gusto mo drums? Ha? Ito ang worth $30. May stand na siya. O, diba? Oh, good deal. Good deal na good deal yan.
May drums sa brother.